I've driven and ridden some incredible machines, but BMW motorcycles stand apart. That blue and white roundel means more than just quality, it's a century-old legacy of performance. BMW bikes are rolling sculptures crafted by passionate engineers. From the classic R32 boxer engine to today's superbikes, BMW leads, not follows. They pioneered innovations like anti-lock brakes long before others. Every bike carries a blend of old-world craftsmanship and cutting-edge tech. The attention to detail is unmatched. These bikes are built to last and to be ridden hard. Whether you're on a coastal highway or a mountain pass, a BMW feels solid and planted. That's no accident. It's the result of relentless design and refinement. The engineers are fanatics about getting it right, building bikes as trusted partners for every journey. BMW Motorrad isn't just another brand, it's the gold standard. They push the boundaries of what's possible on two wheels. Riders worldwide, from veterans to first-timers, respect that reputation. It's all built on one idea: make the best motorcycle possible. And when you ride one, you feel just how seriously they take that mission. It's not just a bike, it's a piece of history and a promise of adventure. That's the BMW legend. The heart of BMW Motorrad beats in Berlin-Spandau, where motorcycles have been built since 1969. This isn't just a factory, it's a blend of tradition and high-tech innovation. Thousands of employees produce up to 800 motorcycles a day, but it's not just about numbers. Here, craftsmanship meets robotic precision. Robots handle heavy lifting and repetitive tasks, while skilled technicians add the expert touch. Many workers have spent decades here, passing down knowledge and pride. The result? Consistency, reliability, and a true sense of community. Every part, from screws to wires, comes together under one roof. It's a symphony of man and machine, transforming raw materials into powerful motorcycles. The Berlin-Spandau factory is more than a building, it's the nerve center of BMW Motorrad. This is where the soul of every BMW bike begins to take shape. The process starts with the most important part, the engine. Here, history and innovation meet on the factory floor. And that's where the magic truly begins. Let's talk about the heart of a BMW, the iconic boxer engine. Its two cylinders jutting out are instantly recognizable, giving BMW bikes their signature stability. The journey starts in the foundry, where molten aluminum is cast into engine blocks and cylinder heads. Precision machining follows, with tolerances thinner than a human hair. Computer-controlled machines carve out every detail, ensuring flawless performance. Each component undergoes rigorous quality checks, using advanced scanners to catch even microscopic flaws. Only perfect parts move forward. This obsession with quality is why BMW engines are so reliable and long-lasting. Skilled technicians then assemble the engine by hand in a spotless environment. Pistons, crankshafts, camshafts, all fitted with meticulous care. Every bolt is tightened to exact specifications. They call this the engine wedding, where perfected parts become a single beating heart. When finished, it's more than machinery, it's the soul of the bike. This is where power, precision, and passion come together. The boxer engine isn't just built, it's born, and it's ready to power a legend. The engine needs a strong, lightweight frame, BMW's specialty. High-strength steel or aluminum tubes are bent and shaped, sometimes even carbon fiber for top models. Advanced robots weld the frame with perfect precision, creating a solid backbone. Human inspectors then check every weld by hand, ensuring absolute integrity. This blend of robotic accuracy and human expertise guarantees safety and strength. After inspection, frames head to the paint shop. Here, they're cleaned, primed, and painted using an electrostatic process for a flawless, durable finish. The result is a gleaming piece of industrial art ready for assembly. Every frame is built to handle the power and stresses of the road. It's the skeleton that holds the legend together. With the frame complete, it's time for the bike to take shape. Next stop, final assembly. On the final assembly line, the motorcycle comes to life. The freshly painted frame moves through stations where specialists add each component. The marriage joins engine and frame. The heart and skeleton become one. Suspension, wheels, and tires are installed, transforming it into a rolling chassis. Handlebars, controls, fuel tank, seat, exhaust, and body panels follow. The wiring harness is carefully woven in, connecting every electronic system. Each technician works with speed and precision, ensuring a perfect fit. Just-in-time logistics deliver the right parts for each model at every station. By the end, over 2,000 parts become a complete motorcycle, ready for testing. This is where engineering and artistry meet. Today's BMW motorcycles are as smart as they are powerful. The ECU, the bike's brain, processes data from dozens of sensors in real time. It controls engine performance, riding modes, traction, and even suspension. Advanced software enables features like ABS, electronic suspension, and full-color TFT displays. Technicians install and program all electronics during assembly, connecting the nervous system of the bike. At the end of the line, each bike is plugged into diagnostics for a full electronic check. The software is loaded and every system is tested for flawless operation. Only bikes that pass every digital test move forward. This integration of hardware and software makes BMW bikes safer, smarter, and more fun to ride. It's technology you can feel on every journey. The future of riding is here, and it's wired for excitement. Next, it's time for the ultimate test quality control. Perfection is non-negotiable at BMW. Every bike faces the rolling road dynamometer, where test riders push it through the gears, checking power, transmission, and brakes. Any imperfection sends the bike back for correction. Next, the leak test. High-pressure water blasts ensure every seal is watertight. Inspectors check for moisture, no leaks allowed. Some bikes are road tested by professionals on real streets and tracks. This is the final reality check for handling and performance. Only after passing every test does a bike earn the BMW badge. Quality isn't just a step, it's the standard. Once a bike passes every test, it's prepped for its journey. Cleaned, polished, and secured, it's placed in a custom shipping crate. Crates are loaded into containers ready for trucks, trains, or ships. From Berlin, BMW motorcycles travel to over 90 countries. The logistics are a marvel. Each bike arrives in perfect condition, ready for the showroom. When you see a new BMW at your local dealer, remember its journey from raw metal to masterpiece. It's a global ambassador for German engineering. Every bike carries the pride and passion of its makers. The adventure begins long before the first ride. That's the spirit of BMW Motorrad. At the core of every BMW motorcycle is human passion. Designers, engineers, and technicians pour their hearts into every detail. The result is more than a machine, it's a rolling work of art. Every ride is a symphony of power, precision, and emotion. These bikes are built for adventure, for creating memories, for seeing the world anew. When you ride a BMW, you're not just on a motorcycle, you're part of a century-old legacy. Think of the hands that built it, the minds that designed it, and the history it carries. You're riding a masterpiece, a piece of history, and a promise of pure joy. That's what makes a BMW motorcycle truly special. For riders everywhere, it's all about the thrill of the journey. And that's the art of the ride.